My name is PC. I bought a land, from Lifeguard International a few months ago for the sum of 10 million naira for 600 square meters. But presently, you can't believe it, it's selling at 19.3 million naira, which is 93% increase within a short space of time. Wow, this is wonderful. This is beautiful. So initially I was skeptical, because I live in England, but I decided to say, okay, let me have a go. You know about the wrong stories about Nigeria. I didn't listen. I took the bold step. So due to the COVID-19 stuff, I didn't visit, but I visited now. Now that I'm speaking to you, I'm in Perfect Residence Estate. When I got to their office, at Lekki, look, the people there, they're very welcoming. Very, very welcoming. They received me well. They brought me to the land. I saw the piece of land. The place is beautiful. It is wonderful. You can see what's going on now. Development is going on rapidly. So I would use this medium, to encourage you. Do not hesitate. Don't procrastinate. Perfect Resident Estate is the in thing now. So I will solicit, people home and abroad, come down, put your investment there. You are not going to regret it. Thank you.